Since the pandemic shoots the foundations of government-issued types of money, digital currencies have started to lead the pack, going head-on-head. In this opposition, a lot of challengers have died, though some endured everyday hardship. One such name is Polkadot, one of the presumed projects laid out essentially to increase the value of the advantage of blockchain. Allow us to dissect the ongoing subtleties of Polkadot convention and comprehend the Polkadot cost expectation for what's in store. Polkadot, not a plan or example, lifestyle. A lead project by Web3 establishment, a Swiss establishment. Polkadot TransferBind expects to bring to its clients the functionalities of plenty of decentralized finance and, simultaneously, makes the clients collect the advantages exploiting an easy-to-use interface. Polkadot has recently sent off its expected Polkadot parachain. The sale framework as of late had its fourth closeout, which was won by Equal Money. Gavin Wood was the previous prime supporter job at Ethereum establishment. Aside from being one of the most aggressive undertakings in light of multi-chain framework and contender of Ethereum, Polkadot additionally offers different answers for its clients, bringing different blockchains on one brought-together organization, transcending as a spearheading project executed on distributed Polkadot organization. It has tremendous advantages to offer, viz. Shared profoundly instability security of focal chain and parachains, including the faultless administration. The improved foundation permits bountiful functionalities of marking and operability. Polkadot's local token is Spot, which expects three fundamental purposes: administration over the organization, marking, and holding. Polkadot, following the authentic ups and downs. The fruitful ICO of Polkadot drifted in 2017 October met with thundering achievement, and it raised more than $140 million, selling north of 10 million spec supply. While during the ICO, DAB USD was fixed at 30 cents, the client's buy pattern carried it to an obstruction level of $6 toward the finish of August 2020. The verifiable Polkadot cost forecasts began to exchange at $5.20 in the mid of September and further plunged. It spiraled downwards around first 50% of October 2020. Exchanging at $4.42, and further dunked to $3.86 in the mid of October. Toward the finish of October, it was around $4.15. Nonetheless, subsiding pandemic brought the best worth of the coin forward, and the Polkadot cost began its vertical process with $5.88 in November 2020 and never thought back from that point forward. Throughout the past year, Polkadot has stamped enormous development as the DAB cost got sharp spike, which took its cost up to $47 in the last mid-May. From that point forward, the cost of Polkadot confronted dismissal and it fell around $11 in a month. Notwithstanding, the spec coin recovered its lost force and enlisted an untouched high of $55 in the last November. Afterward, Polkadot confronted huge selling pressure and kept on exchanging negatively till date. The value expectation conjecture the cost of Polkadot crypto to exchange around $25 in 2022, $37 in 2023, and $84 in 2025. The assessed cost ascend in the approaching 5 years is $180, expanding by 868%. The anticipated cost might ascend to plus 69% constantly, and according to DAB crypto cost forecast, in 2022, we hope to see $28.47 per one Polkadot. In the main portion of 2023, the Polkadot cost will move to $41.64. In view of our Polkadot cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2027 is $93.71, with a 5 years productive speculation choice. The income is supposed to be around plus 397.2%. As per Polkadot cost expectations, spec costs could fill hugely in 6 years. Say by 2028, it ought to have a reasonable convention around $62 to $75. There is potential for merging patterns according to Polkadot gauge that point towards the way that there is potential for Polkadot, and it might cross $155 mark toward 1 year's end. Specs cost began in 2022 at $28. Following a month, the Polkadot exchange downwards around $19. As displayed in the above spec USD cost diagram, the coin checked impressive fall after it hit its ATH of $55 in the last November. Notwithstanding, starting from the start of this current year, Polkadot has checked moderate changes. Right now, the DAB cost is exchanging around $18 with slight potential gain force. On the off chance that the spot crypto keeps on exchanging upwards, it might hit 23.60% lie level and cross $23 cost mark. On the drawback, it holds dynamic help levels of $14, and on the off chance that it revises beneath $14, it has areas of strength for the of $10. In light of technicals and current cost development, the Polkadot cost could keep up development sooner rather than later. How about we investigate spot expectations for the next years? Polkadot value forecast. The Polkadot has a market capitalization of $18,469,959,443 and positions among the best 10 cryptographic forms of money on different trades. The point-by-point Polkadot cost forecast and Polkadot specialized investigation of different specialists don't dissuade the Polkadot digital money costs from beating the opponents using any and all means. Polkadot forecast will outperform the assumptions for all cryptographic money financial backers as far as its cost and market cap who have found this stage incredibly intuitive and simple. Polkadot cost expectation has genuinely somersaulted somewhat recently, thoroughly changing the pattern from the very start towards the year's end. New associations would bring Polkadot to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for spot crypto universe of opponents of Polkadot. Polkadot value expectation 2022. In light of our own examination and verifiable information, Polkadot exchanged at $28, and there is even an estimate Polkadot that the spec cost might think of its own blockchain stage progressing itself from Ethereum base getting enrolled in the significant cryptographic money market trade. The world by first 50% of 2022 would be $25, and toward the finish of 2022, taking Polkadot cost to $38. The environment might fill quickly, particularly for collusions before the current year's over. As per Polkadot value expectation specialists, the DAB coin cost will reach $20 in Q1 of 2022. The crypto can additionally show the bullish pattern of $24 in Q2, acquiring $27 toward the finish of 2022. Our specialized estimate proposes a potential hopeful situation all year long. Polkadot value forecast 2023. In the event that we contrast the main portion of 2022 and the primary portion of 2023, there might be a tremendous distinction. The year's end expectation 2023 could offer a buy to all negative and skeptical patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for Polkadot. It could mean the start of a period of expectations and commitments brimming with hopefulness. Polkadot coin cost expectation recommends the valued resource would ascend to any place between $26 to $37. Polkadot value forecast 2024. In the realm of cryptographic forms of money, there could be a gauge of wonders, and there could be sorcery in the present moment as well. 4 to 5 years is quite a while. With pandemic immunization coming to the front, according to specialists' report, it might mean a blast time for spot exchanges. Toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Polkadot coin could reach up to the $40 mark according to Polkadot crypto cost expectation. Polkadot value forecast 2025. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long-haul acquiring potential instead of the present moment. It wouldn't overstate that this valued cryptographic money, Polkadot expects to break every one of the boundaries and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle of $46 by final part of the year, with government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves directly following the pandemic. This could come as a relief for all Polkadot financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and yearnings to execute in spec cost forecasts, with a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectation